I got the old backhoe fixed. I'm gonna be working on got a little duck pond right here. It used to be about half this size, but over the last 3 years, ducks have gotten in here and eroded the edges. But damn, that was a wasp. I'm gonna have to kill that. That damn wasp just landed on my knee. Come on, I'm gonna kill you. Like that damn snake. There's snakes and wasps. That son of a bitch stings me. I'm gonna be pissed. But it's not very deep anymore. So I'm gonna be taking the backhoe and digging it out. As far as I know, the other snake has come out. I'm just waiting for his head to like sneak up between the pedals right here. I mean the levers. So yeah, this pond used to be like half this size, and with all the birds going in and out, they've just eroded the bank back, and therefore it's really only about a foot deep. And in the hot summer, the water temperature gets really hot and it grows algae pretty bad. So I'm going to dig it out, get a little depth to it, maybe the water stay a little cooler. The outrigger keeps sinking down. I'm right on the edge. Then I'm going to dig this out, and I'm also going to taper the edge a little bit better. It's kind of a straight down drop. I'll dig this out, see where I kind of quit digging. Once again, I forgot to wipe the dust off. Yeah, time to scoot up a little bit. Couple weeks